Hey guys, this is a hive that's not been touched for 4 or 5 years. Just pried off the inner cover and thought I'd better. Oh, there's a hive beetle. Thought I'd better go ahead and start the video. I'm going to try to do this as fast as possibly can because this is November the 15th. Give you a quick look down on the box. These are from a mentee's of mine's house where he passed away. Sorry about the wind. It is a little windy here in southeast Tennessee today. Hopefully the girls don't get too mad at me because I'm trying to put them into a box, or a hive I should say, that they will survive the winter. They are quite heavy with honey. So this top box, I will pry off. Set to the side because it is full of honey. And we shall see what's in the second box down. So far so good. Nobody's trying to eat me alive. As I stated, these girls have been on their own for 4 to 5 years. They do have a few hive beetles. I've been asked why I keep one long fingernail during the spring, summer, and fall and then cut it in the wintertime. Well, now you're getting to see why. Because I can actually pinch those hive beetles out, get them on that, and kill them. Alright, let's go to the next frame over. I mean, these girls are quite gentle for somebody that hadn't been messed with in 4 or 5 years. And to have as many hive beetles as they have, I'm quite surprised they survived. Alright, second box down. I'm 4 frames in and no brood. So I guess we'll go to the bottom box. Being November the 14th, or 15th, I would probably say there's not going to be any brood. I would like to see their queen before I put them in the box. Just a quick look, see what the reason I'm having to move them to a new box. He said the owner has passed away and I mentored him, so his sister decided to give me the bees. Yep, let's go down below and see what we got down in the bottom box. This is going to be fun because the bottom box is completely, frames have dropped to the bottom of the hive. I will clean this up at a later date. Let you see what it looks like. I'll pause the video and hopefully I'll find the queen for you. Alright, just from the sound of the bees, she's not in this bottom box. The other boxes over here are starting to roar a little bit. Now the bottom box is starting to roar since it's been separated from the other one. So let's move on and put the next box on. Go through it. Be back if I find her. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, right there she is. Right there at the tip of my red point of my hive tool. So we are going to go ahead and get her on in the hive. Well, maybe not. Where did she go? There she is. I'm going to go ahead and take her and put her on that frame. Clean all this mess off the bottom because it will not fit in the box. Nowhere near as bad as I thought it would be. But let's check right quick. No eggs. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and stop the video before it goes waxing on long. So we found the queen. We got her in. We're going to get them completely in a new set of hives to them. And go to the next one.